Welcome, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. We're here at Stockland Green again, but this time we're actually in the garden. And we have some issues at the moment because we have this drum here. You can see this drum, and it was full of water. And when we came here, it was empty, and all these stones was put into the drum. All these logs here was all over the place, so we have some issues with persons or somebody come up here and seems to want to upset what we're actually doing here at Stockland Green. Okay, hope to put a stop to that sooner or later, but this is a kitchen garden. And we have potatoes here. Potatoes are growing very nicely. We've got some thymes here, and that's actually flowering at the moment. We've got a very small tomato plant here, and all this here is potatoes. We've got potatoes all in this bed here, all around. If you want to see how our kitchen garden was, just jump back onto some of my videos for Stockland Green and you'll see all what we've planted and what we've produced in the past. So you've got potatoes growing all over, and then you've got in here, in this space here, you've got some pumpkin plants here. That small one here, one here, one there, and we've got a few pumpkins in this patch. There's one here, one there, one there. Yeah, there's quite a few in this little area here. So we open that these will grow, and you know, pumpkins like a vine, it runs, so it'll be running all over this area. We've got two areas where we do our kitchen garden, and I'm just going to take you over to the other section, and you'll see what we're planting over. So, like I said, we've got somebody messing around with our garden when we're not here. This used to be a container with water, and it's got some holes in. Let me see if I can see where the holes is in this. Oh, it's yeah, it's damaged here. Just damaged down here. Okay, just here. So that's no good for putting water in, but we can use it as a compost heap. So we're going to secure our water container here, put a stone on the top of it to stop the wind from blowing it off. Stockland Green area is used by a lot of different type of people, and it's used more or less seven days a week. And you've got a few students here playing football, and up here you've got our volunteers. Simon, what are you doing?
Planting peas.
Peas?
Yeah.
What type of peas are they?
Red peas.
Red peas, okay. Simon's planting some red peas. Louise is there doing a bit of watering. And? Okay.
Red peas and balati peas.
Balati peas. Right, as you can see, they're trying to get this area going with peas, and also some potatoes is over there as well. You got Bentley over here is doing a bit of raking up, and also he's done all that bed over this, dug all this bit of land up so we can actually plant more products over here. We don't know what we're going to be planting here yet anyway, but the ground is prepared for it, and next week when we come again we'll be putting some things in here. Just this part here is some weed here, we just need to get that cleared. We'll get this trimmer on that and clean all this area here. And yeah, this is Stockland Green Vegetable Garden, operated by volunteers. Yes, people, let me know what you think. Do you have a kitchen garden at your place? What do you plant? Or can you advise us what we can actually put in here? We do get quite a lot of sunlight across this part of the area, especially in the afternoon. The sun comes over this way and you get a lot of sun coming on here. If you look at my previous videos, you'll see that this is a plum tree, and we've done quite a lot of pruning back. Ken done a lot of cutting down and cut down a lot of these limbs so it doesn't overhang the garden. So hopefully we should have some decent crops growing here in the next few weeks. And I will keep you updated. Every week I come, we'll be showing you what's happening in this part of our kitchen garden. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Loyal subscribers as usual. A big shout out to you guys for watching the videos, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and showing support to the channel. Jamaican uncle over there in Georgia, how you doing? DMAC 4K World Tour over there in Jamaica, what's up my man? Wayne Mighty 4K in Ocherius, I see ya. Keep doing what you're doing guys, doing a fantastic job. We are also doing a fantastic job here. Louise is over there with the watering. Barbara's World, how are you? See, Stockland Green's got a massive play area here. It's very, very big. But today we're just showing you what's happening in our kitchen garden. Like I've mentioned before, go back and watch some of my videos, what we've done on this garden. Previously, we've had some very, very nice crops growing from here. We had lots of potatoes, lots of pumpkins, and basically all we do is put it back into the church. So all the congregation in the church comes in and they leave a little donation, and they benefit from the produce what we do, especially from the pumpkins. If we do get a good crop of pumpkins, a lot of people enjoy the pumpkins, so they make a donation and that goes back into the church. So that's what the volunteer people do at Stockland Green. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a like, share the video with your friends, family, and most important, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smiler in the city. Short video this one, guys, so thank you very much, and hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.